Oh my god, you again? Animal Jam, if you're watching this, please get rid of this glitch. That naked bunny should not stay in this video. I got a frickin' Discord. Y'all go follow me. I love to talk to y'all. And go click that subscribe button. It is completely free, or I'll delete your Animal Jam account. Enjoy! Yo, what is up, my mini Mario mustaches? It is Commander back with another video, and today I am doing another Masterblock video, and today I am going to be making a Boba Tea. And if you guys do not know what a Boba Tea is, it is a drink that anime characters like to drink, and if you drink it, then I guess you're an anime character. So boba drinks, they like come from Starbucks or any coffee shop or tea shop or anything like that. They kind of have like little brown spots in them. I don't know what that is. I hope that's chocolate. If it's not chocolate, it's probably rabbit poop. But anyways, that's what I am going to be making today, and so let's get started. Yes! The Animal Jam alphas, listen to me! My animal is back! Alright, let's actually get started. So you are first going to start off by making a black line of 7 blocks. Now onto the outline of the cup. You are going to be making like a staircase-like build to make the cup have texture, because you do not want a regular Masterblock build to just be straight lines and diagonal lines. You kind of want to be creative with the blocks because there are no circles, so you're going to have to make little curves, and the best way to make little curves and little circles is to make a staircase-like pattern, as I am doing right now. And then once it gets to the part where the cup has to be straight, of course build up straight. For now, we are only building half of the cup outline, and next we are going to be making the drink outline. So pull out the brown color and make the same little pattern we made with the cup. This time, make the blocks a little more rounder, if that makes any sense. Not necessarily more blocky or like baby butt smooth, but just to the point where the cup actually looks like a half a circle. If you're at the point where you don't know how many brown blocks to put down, you go back down to the black outline of the cup and you make the rest of the cup. If you don't know what shapes to add, look at the other side of the cup and see what you build and copy down what you build. And once you get to the point where you're next to the brown blocks, you then continue the semi-half circle. Next, we finish the rest of the outline using the black blocks, and we make another semi-circle top. We are now finished with the cup base. Now we are going to be moving on with the shadow. Get the darker version of the original color that you want your drink to be, and you outline the edges with the color. Once you get to the bottom of the cup, you now stack the blocks to 3 by 3. And for the rest of the shadow, you just copy the other side. See, now the cup is finally coming together. Now you get a darker shade of the shadow and you make the cup rims. And it's the same way from when we made the tea outline. Just not too round, not too sharp, not baby butt smooth, but just right. You also don't want them too far apart because, as you know, on a real cup, the little indents are not too far apart. So to make it as realistic as possible, you don't want them too far apart. And finally, you get the original color of the cup and you fill in all of those empty gaps. And I forgot to mention this at the start. You do not have to use the colors that I'm using. You can be as creative as you want. I'm using purple because I haven't used the color purple in a really long time, and I think it's a really pretty color, so that's why I chose it. And you can have any reason why you want to choose whatever color you want. You can use red, yellow, orange, green, black. You can use any color. Once all of the purple has been filled in, you may now make the brown ball thingies. And you just make it with 2 blocks on each side and fill it in. You may make these all around the cup. Now for the highlight, we use a white or a milky color for the highlight. You are going to make the highlight by making a huge column of 3 rows, as you can see. And once you get to the middle of the cup, you will then move the highlight 1 row to the side. So the highlight will make it look to where it's actually real. Now above the tea outline, you are going to be using the original color of the tea and be making an outline above it. Now get the darkest shade of tea you can get and make a circle outline in the middle of the tea, just so the tea will look a little aesthetic. Once you get to the half point of the dark outline, you then get a slightly lighter but not too light shade and fill in half of the circle that color. Next, you pull out that brown color again and you make the outline of the straw. Then you fill in the color of the straw. I've used like a pinkish purple color because I still want to keep the purple theme. Next, you add the highlight. You don't want the blocks fully touching, just close to the edges. And then for the final part, add the black for the straw, and then you are done. I absolutely love this master block, and it's definitely took the longest time to build, and I hated that my footage went away as I was building it, and I didn't know if I had to scrap the footage or not until I thought of this method. I really hope you still thought a way and found a way to build it even though the footage wasn't completely there all the way. Well, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I guess that is it. Goodbye peeps!